In this class we will see articles part 2, and I will be highlighting certain points in this. Mainly first, use of a little, a few, little and few, that we will see first, and then second part we will see more examples on the usage of a little and a few and little. Then we will see some exceptions where articles will not be used. Then we will see some more examples. So that will be the class 2. Come to this now. Usage of a little, a few, little and few. Where a little and little are used. They are used before the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Like little salt. Give me little salt. There is little salt in this food. A few and few. They are used before the plural nouns. Example. A few people attended the wedding. Few people only were present there. I will tell you what does it mean. So, a little and little are used in front of the uncountable nouns, and a few and few are used in front of the plural nouns. Now come this side. What does a little and a few mean? Please note the article in front of little and in front of few. When we are saying a little, we mean a small quantity, a very small amount of things. And when we say a few, a very small number. This is what we mean when we use a little and a few. Really, they are small in number and quantity. Little, without the article, when we use little and few, it denotes scarcity. It denotes scarcity, meaning almost have the force of the negative. That means almost nothing. Almost nothing. That is the meaning. So again, listen to me. A little means a very small amount. A few means a small number. Little and few. Without the article, when we say little and few, it means almost negative. For example, you see here, there was a little time for consultation. There was a little time for consultation means almost there was no time for consultation. There was no time for consultation. When it is, you mean that, you have to say that there was a little time for consultation. Few towns have such splendid trees. Almost no towns have such splendid trees. That is the meaning. Almost negative. Here you see, I have a little interest in politics. That means a little bit of interest, some interest in politics. I have some interest in politics, a little bit of interest in politics, not a very good interest in politics. Tourists come here, but few stay overnight. Tourists come here, but few stay overnight, meaning that almost nobody stays overnight. That is the meaning. Suppose I say, tourists come here, but a few stay overnight, some of them stay overnight. A few means some of them stay overnight, whereas few means none of them, almost none of them stay overnight. That is it. Now we will see more examples of this pattern.
I'll give some more examples of this pattern now. See, we have got a little oil and a few eggs. We have got a little oil and a few eggs, meaning that some quantity of oil, a little very small quantity of oil and some eggs with us. That is the meaning. If I say we have got little oil and few eggs, means that we neither have oil nor we have eggs. Only a few children like mathematics, meaning that some quantity of students, some number of students only like the subject mathematics. Only a few of the children in this class like mathematics. Maybe 12 children are there in the class, we 2 may be liking mathematics. If you say Only few children like mathematics in this class means almost none of the students in the class like mathematics. Few people can speak a foreign language perfectly, meaning that almost no one can speak a foreign language perfectly. Cactuses need little water, means almost it doesn't require water. Need little water. You observe, I am not using the article a in front of that. Give the roses a little water every day. A little meaning that give the roses some water, some quantity of water every day. You observe here, I am using a little in front of water, which is an uncountable noun, and I used oil and little comes in front of it. Oil is also an uncountable noun, but I said a few eggs because eggs are plural nouns, so I am using few in front of it. Only a few children like mathematics, I said. I did not use a little, I said a few children, meaning children are plural nouns. So observe this, give the roses a little water every day. We have got quite a few friends in the village. Here again I am using a few because friends is it's a plural noun, and a few friend means some friends we have, some number of friends we have. They had little hope, meaning that almost they had no hope at all. I had little hope. Then we saw little, we didn't see much. We saw a little bit of things we have seen there. I was a little anxious. I was a little annoyed. I was a little impatient. The paper should be a little thicker. It should be a bit of thickness should be more in that. Can you walk a little faster? Would you like a little soup? Would you like to have a little soup, a small quantity of soup? Give the roses, okay. His ideas are difficult and few people understand them. His ideas are difficult and few people understand them, meaning that almost nobody could understand him. Observe the second sentence now. His ideas are difficult, but a few people can understand them. But a few, meaning that some people only can understand his ideas. Only a few people can speak a foreign language perfectly, meaning that very less number of people only can speak a foreign language perfectly.